The next question type, which is very common in section 2 of the listening test, is sentence completion. You read a set of sentences summarizing key information from all the listening text or from one part of it, and you have to complete a gap in each sentence using information from the listening text. You usually have to write no more than 3 words and/or a number. The words should be taken directly from the listening text and written in the space on your question paper to be transferred later. If you write more than the number of words asked for, you will lose the mark even if your answer includes the correct word. There are 2 rules good to know for counting the word limits in the listening test. The first rule is contracted words will not be tested. Contractions or contracted forms are short words formed from 2 or more words. The most common example is when we add not to an auxiliary verb in negative sentences, something like saying don't instead of do not. What needs to be done in the golden minute before the sentence completion is exactly similar to what we explained for note and flowchart completion in the previous lectures covering the section 1 of the listening test. A suitable technique for this type of question is, first in the golden minute, read the questions and understand what type of information you're looking for in each question. Because you have a full sentence here, you can also use the grammatical structure of the sentence to identify the form of the missing word or phrase. For example, whether you should be looking for a verb or adjective or noun. While doing this, you should also find and underline the keywords. Keywords are the important pieces of information in the questions. Keywords can change the meaning of a sentence partially or completely. By looking at the keywords, you should be able to remember what information you're looking for. When the recording starts, listen carefully and keep an eye on your underlined keywords. Remember, the answers are always presented in the recording in the same order as the questions. By combining the order of the questions and the signposts in the keywords, you can realize when the information is approaching each question in the recording and easily find the answer. The part of a speech or the grammatical form of the missing word can help you too to understand what the missing word should be.